this video, I am going to show you how to find the genetic code for a protein producing genome sequence. For any of the protein you can find the genetic code for that. We have to use some simple websites which are free of cost, and those websites will help us to get the genetic code of this of the protein which we want. Let me show you. First, open the Google and open the mouse genome informatics, where you could find not only for mouse but also for human proteins. The name is Mouse Genome Informatics, and in the quick search bar, I am going to search for F8 proteins. You can search for any of the protein you want. I am going to search for the F8 proteins. So what are these F8 genes? These genes are the reasons for hemophilia, that is factor 8 deficiency, because of which hemophilia is caused, that is excess of bleeding or blood clotting is stopped. So I am finding the genetic code for F8 gene sequence. So the code is F8. The first one I will leave it, it's a bit complex. So the symbol is F8. I will remember that, and I will open another tab and I will go to another website, that is Ensemble, that's also free of cost, and I will search for the F8 protein, that is symbol is F8. So I will type F8 and search for it. So I will get the summary of all the F8 protein information. You can restrict the category to any of the organism like human, mouse, or any of the organism. There you will find at the left side. I am going with the first one, F8 human gene. That's what I want now. So you can search for any of the organism, and I got this result. There are many sequence of protein coding for the protein F8. So I got 5 protein coding sequences and 2 non-protein coding sequences. So I will neglect those two, and I want the first 5 protein coding sequences. And you will find all the informations like location of a chromosome in which F8 gene coding sequence is there, and you can find all the information down here of that genome sequence. And at the left side you will find the export data, and you export the information. You click the next and wait for a minute, and see here you will find all the information about the F8 protein coding sequence, number of exons, number of introns, the type, and the specific site in the chromosome, that is F8 protein is found in the chromosome X, because it is an inherited disease. So it's loading. So this is the sequence coding for F8 protein in our human body. See how long it is. This whole coding sequence form a single protein, that is F8 protein. Deficiency of this causes hemophilia. It's a genetic disease, and that's why it's found on chromosome X. So you can see here there are 26 exons, that is protein coding sequences. There are 26 exons, and in between there are more introns which are non-protein coding sequence. There are 26 exons. The last one is very long, and also 14th one. And you can modify these sequences to form a desired species or desired protein. So you can modify always, you should modify always the exons, not introns. The 14th one is very long. You can find number of nucleotides present there. The 15th has 215, and the last one has 1961 nucleotides in them. So it is found in a single cell coding for a single protein, and each cell have millions of these things. So think how precisely and neatly this has to be packed inside a cell. This is what always attracts me towards the genetics. If you like this video, then please do like, comment, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Sign Knowledge Transfer, signing off.